What are we looking at here and why is it so important for the region?
What we are looking at is one of the largest industrial hubs in the Middle East to be. We expect to be one of the largest and the most vibrant industrial hub in the next 15 to 20 years. And this is the port that's going to serve not only this hub, but the entire region of the Middle East.
So can you quantify it for me? Tell me what impact the Khalifa port and Kizad will have on the UAE in the years to come.
We currently have an impact of around 3.5% on the GDP, non-oil GDP of the country. We believe that by 2030, it should be beyond 15%.
Wow. Tell me about the range of industries you have here as well.
We have virtually all kinds of industries in here, but the premier of them is metal, based on the large aluminum smelter that you're seeing behind you. Has a huge downstream industry cluster for aluminum. We have major plastics downstream, thanks to Baruch, who have all their capacity moving through this port and are stocked in this area around the port. We also have a lot of food industry in this region, and automotive is growing very, very fast. Other than that, oil and gas is a key industry segment that we currently have in Kizad.
It's interesting as well because when you look at this region, yes, you have attracted a lot of FDI, particularly from China, but the competition is also quite intense because you have Dubai's Jebel Ali, which is just up the road, and then Singapore, which is only a few hours away. So what's your competitive advantage and how do you make sure Kizad stays front and center for investors around the world?
I think you have mentioned just a few. It's not just Jebel Ali or Singapore. India is growing, Oman is growing. The whole world is in a growth mode. Everyone is trying to put infrastructure to bring something better in the future. What we are doing is we are creating an ecosystem where industries can thrive. Large scale, small scale, even the small little entrepreneurs can find a way to grow their business and their dreams on this land.
So tell me what type of investment you have attracted so far. I mentioned that China is a major investor into this region. Is the bulk of the FDI still coming from China, or has that topped out now?
China is a very key investor in here. You can see the investment in the port, but our investment is coming from virtually all over the world. As of date, we are just 6 years old and we have over 60 billion dirhams, or I would say $18 billion in investment already in Kizad in this area.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.